All right, my people, and welcome back onto this channel. No be small something, no still on the matter. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting to be. Exactly waiting the people are talking about. Yes, so onto this one, the news will be said they go viral. Everybody they talk about this news, and it no funny at all, at all. It no funny, make it not be waiting with the think. Now they say 6 days after WEF presidency silent over TINUBU's whereabouts. Now they say that they look for the president of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Say he get one meeting wey be say then do this meeting, then they call am the World Economic Forum meeting wey be say then do for Saudi Arabia, and then after then over 6 days say the president now of the country they don't know where he dey. In fact they tell us now say the president of the country we no see am. Now may no be say the thing wey we dey think well my brother my sister everybody don dey para for social media. Say where is our president? Where is our president? Some people they even they say abeg if you want loss make it loss, but my brother my sister olewu. The Yorubas go say olewu ẹ má dábàá rẹ̀ láyéláyé olewu. Yes, so according to the news we be say what they talk about 60 days after the conclusion of the World Economic Forum WEF meeting in Saudi Arabia, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is yet to arrive in Nigeria. Well, onto this one is made it clear that the president had left Nigeria on Tuesday, April 23 for a 2-leg foreign trip that took him first to the Kingdom of the Netherlands on an official visit, from where he proceeded to Riyadh. Well, onto this one, they can't let us know say Saudi Arabia will be say where he go to attend the special meeting of the World Economic Forum on WEF from 28th to 29th of April 2024. Ajuri Ngalae, the presidential spokesman, had in a statement said the visit to the Netherlands was at the invitation of Mark Rutte, Prime Minister of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. And onto this one they say while in the Netherlands the president participated in the Nigerian Dutch Business and Investment Forum that will bring together heads of conglomerates and then organizations in both countries to explore opportunities for collaboration and then partnerships, especially in agriculture and then water management, towards innovative solution for sustainable farming practices. After his engagement in the Netherlands, the president proceeded to attend a special World Economic Forum WEF meeting scheduled for April 28 to 29 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. At the World Economic Forum meeting, which focused on global collaboration, growth, and energy for development, President Tinubu and his entourage actively participated in the discussion, using the opportunity of the gathering to strike economic deals with the likes of Bill Gates, founder of the Microsoft. Yes, onto this one, but while other government officials who accompanied the president have arrived in Nigeria, the president is yet to arrive. Unconfirmed sources say Tinubu is in London. They no confirm that one, okay? And meanwhile, our top presidency source, however, confirmed that the president proceeded to the United Kingdom for undisclosed reasons. Well, meanwhile, the top presidency official, who does not want his name in print, noted that it has been the usual practice for the president to take time off after such hectic meetings and engagement. Okay, we pray so. And meanwhile, the president proceeded to the UK. That is all I can tell you. According to him, the president's absence has not affected government business. He was been working, and the vice president is also on the ground. Okay, he however could not say when the president will be back to the country. Recall that the president had in September last year also proceeded to France after attending the UN General Assembly in New York. Alright, so my brother, my sister, now waiting with the year now be that to say the president now he don't lost. My brother, my sister, make it no be waiting with the think which kind talk be this why the president go lost him. Why we no go see our president now waiting everybody they talk be that to and they get many reactions onto this one. Some people don't they talk say oh there's a Fulani people he no go everly work for now go ni work for you lie or una think say we no know wetin dey sup abi. Okay, make it God just help una make we no see our president and at that time una go know say khaki e no be leather. Which kind nonsense be that wey be say all of una go comot together una come dey tell us come kambu story say the president he go one place he go rest. Which kind rest? Now they come dey tell us say since the president never dey around say the vice president go dey take over wetin dey go on abi una dey mad ni ṣe mental ni abori yin buru ni kò ní ragba fún gbogbo yin abẹ ti ya wèrè. Alright, my brother, my sister, now this one be the one wey be say e dey right wey be say everybody come dey talk say laye they must produce our president because as e dey hot like this if dem go let am cool lasan, hey my brother, my sister, things go too spoil. This one wey be say the president we no know him whereabouts. Something must be done drastically. Where him wifey, where are all the children, everybody alele make una come outside we dey look for our president. This one e no funny at all because we know they are planning. They don't first come outside come they tell us say come 2027 they go make sure say the vice president take over. So now no even want make it come reach 2027. Oda beti ya were. Alright, now waiting everybody come they talk now be that who no go no. Yeah, so they say monkey no fine, but in mama like am. All the Yoruba people right now they know they joke. Make una produce our daddy, make una produce our father. Oh hell say you no go rugby for una lie ati lie. Now everybody done they talk where is President Bola Ahmed Tinubu after he went for this summit. And now we know see am all the people wey be say dem gather go all of them don't come back. So wait on na come they tell us abe shiri. Alright, my brother, my sister, now the news wey be say they reach us now be this we are say make I tell una as they hot and as they gbono. Well, my brother, my sister, if this one now your first time wey be say you dey join us onto this channel, I beg you make you try make it help us subscribe, share, like, make it for continue to dey go viral until I come on our way, my people. Next time I say on a bye for now.